Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, we meet again on this channel. In this video, we will show the cause of a Toshiba laptop that is freezing, as seen in the video. One of the causes of this condition is due to a problem with the hard drive. The hard drive is faulty or damaged. You can see here that this laptop is not frozen. It is proven by the fact that the caps lock indicator works well. However, we can see in this video that the laptop is frozen, stuck on this screen. The model of this laptop is Toshiba Satellite C840, but the instructions we will provide in this video can be applied to various laptop models. Now we will prove it by removing the hard drive. First, we remove the battery to ensure safety. Then we can remove after unscrewing it. All right. And now the laptop is not freezing like before, and it shows a screen indicating that there is no hard drive installed. This condition can be fixed by replacing the hard drive with a normal one. You can also replace it with an SSD to get better laptop performance. Hope this is useful. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.